Hey guys, let me show you a Michelin experience that gives you a taste of true Turkish history right here in old city of Istanbul. I am here right outside Matbah Restaurant, which is a Michelin Guide recommended restaurant right inside the Ottoman Hotel Imperial, which is right next to the popular Hagia Sophia. So here we're going to try a true taste of Ottoman Palace cuisine. Hey guys, I'm here with Chef Kadir at Matbah and we're giving you an exclusive kitchen tour behind the scenes. Let's go!
Zeynep Bey hoş geldiniz. Biz 15. yüzyıl, 16. yüzyıl yemekleri yapıyoruz.
So we say we are cooking the Ottoman cuisine, which is some of them 15th century, some of them is 18th century, some of them is 17th century. This food, that kind of food, which is they are using, they made before in the Topkapı Saray, which is Topkapı Museum. All cook, I mean, all dishes, different food, different thing. He say we are using the seasonal fruit and seasonal thing. I mean, every season we are using the different vegetable, different food. Which is Kirde Kebab is beef meat, bread, yogurt, and some butter. You see, you can see some butter. This is the bread. Some red pepper and some oregano. Beef meat, boneless. Salt. Curries, yeah. This is the eggplant.
Oh wow!
Inside the eggplant. Kirde kebap. Kaçıncı yüzyılda bu ustacığım?
15.
15th century.
Kirde kebab.
Kirde kebap. Evet.
Buyurun.
This is hummus.
Okay.
This one is
Vişneli Yaprak Sarma.
wine leaves with the cherry. You can see cherry. This is shepherd salad. This is the baba ganoush.
Okay.
Baba ganoush is which is yogurt and eggplant. This is the pomegranate flower sherbet. Ottoman drink. Yeah. This is name is hasabrek, which is kind of Turkish pastry. You can see inside is nuts, olive oil, and some cheese made with some cheese. This one is Salish pastry, got 7 kind of cheese inside and some beans. This one is honey and some raisin, baby raisin. We serve it with the honey. And this one is kirde kebab. This is the lamb shank. Lamb shank we serve it with the mashed eggplant. The down is, you can see the mashed eggplant.
Special dessert, this name helatiye. Helatiye rose water inside this milk pudding with seasonal fruit, pistachio and almond. Yes, this baklava traditional Turkish dessert. This very slim bread, flat bread. This sugar syrup and with walnuts and this on-side pistachio. Helva, this helva traditional Turkish cuisine. This dessert, this helva. This wheat powder, this butter and sugar or honey mix. This on-site service, cold service on-site this pistachio.
This is the quiz, stuffed quiz, which is eggplant with the basil sauce. This is also 15th century, 15th
Hürrem
century.
Sultan.
This is, Hürrem Sultan. She liked to eat the quiz.
So I'm having this amazing spread here with Chef Kadir Yilmaz.
Şefim suyu ver. First water, you see, it's going to change the color. Look at that.
Oh wow!
Yeah. and some more and some ice.
Trying Raki for the
Raki,
first time.
Neydi?
Cheese.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Guys, what an experience this is, having all these dishes and having chef with me right on the table while enjoying this view. Such an experience. This here is lamb shank. So tender. So this right here is pomegranate sorbet that they said is very common for the Ottoman cuisine. They drink it while having the meal. It helps to digest and has a nice like palate cleansing powers as well. Enjoying some Turkish tea as well. So here you have some beef, some yogurt, and then fried bread underneath. Very, very interesting mix. And then some sauteed stir-fried vegetables with like pepper, green and red peppers. Oh wow, kind of reminds me of like a deconstructed beef wrap. You already have the bread, you have the yogurt, which is like the sauce, and then the beef and vegetables. Very tasty. So chef is showing me some of the Ottoman recipe book.
O kadar hassas ki yırtılıyor neredeyse baksana.
You see, you can see very old there.
Aha.
Fatih. This is the Fatih food. This is from the
1918.
1918. This recipe is in Istanbul. Kitchen chefs, they get together and then they write these books about the recipe, about the food, Ottoman food. This is the 1844. This is the first book
book
about
on-
the food.
Of Ottoman cuisine.
Ottoman cuisine in Turkey. This is the
Wow,
first
okay.
book, yeah. This book is about the 500 years, about the Ottoman kitchen.
Oh wow, that's so beautiful.
Here, this tree is my signature and my best wishes.
Thank
There
you.
is power, love, and money.
Oh,
So which
that's
one you
awesome.
want? Which one you want?
You have power, love,
love.
and money. You have to
That's
put it.
hard.
I
I'll
can-
do love.
I'm a fortune teller. I can guess. You have money, you have power, you need love.
Yeah, I need
Am I
love.
right?
Yes, that's
So,
correct.
My name is George. You can call George. I'm an artist. You know,
Okay.
last 26 years doing this kind of things, but we're working together.
Oh,
You
awesome.
know, I do workshops.
Yeah.
And when we have such a beautiful guest, you know,
Thank you so much,
it's a
Josh.
beautiful gift.
How can people find you?
I have been doing this job last 28 years. Travel a lot, you know, all over the world.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Thank you, Josh. Guys, look how beautiful this is.
Traditional Ottoman restaurant gift for you.
So what is that?
Necklace.
Oh, beautiful. So this is so cool. At the end of your meal, they give you this goodbye gift, which is like something you add to your necklace. Very nice and adds a nice touch. Thank you so much. That was such a great meal at Matbah. I'm so glad to be able to finally try some real authentic Ottoman cuisine. The Ottoman Empire has reigned over the Turkish lands for centuries and coexisted with different nations and cultures. And it's because of all these different cultures and cuisines that they were able to create their own unique twist to their cuisine. So you will be able to find influences from Middle Asia, Middle East, Mediterranean, Europe, and among others as part of the cuisine. It's so nice to see that they actually have recipe books, and apparently they have the first recipe book on Ottoman cuisine, and that's what they base a lot of their recipes on, so you know it's truly authentic. So one thing I noticed, and I asked this as well, is that I noticed most of the protein I tried didn't have seafood. It was like chicken, beef, lamb, and they actually told me that in Ottoman cuisine, it is mostly meat, and the most popular one is lamb, and it's perfect for me because I love lamb. So actually my favorite dish in what I had was the lamb shank with bagendi. My other favorite dishes were the sailor's roll patty with honey. That was so good, very crispy. And I love that there's different Turkish cheeses in it. And once you drizzle the honey, it has a nice mix of sweet and savory. The Kirde Kebab was also very delicious. I love seeing it behind the scenes because when you look at the dish itself, it looks very simple. But when you see it behind the scenes, then you realize, oh, it actually has so much things in it and then so much effort. Like they actually cook each component separately as opposed to like tossing everything together and then mixing it. So that's pretty special. I mean, you can always not go wrong with hummus and baba ganoush. Because I actually really like the baba ganoush. It's very unique what they did. It's actually stuffed inside the pepper. And I didn't notice it in the menu, but what they said, it's actually a complimentary appetizer that they normally give guests. And for dessert, the gelatia is very special. And then I can't go wrong with baklava. It was so good. I love the other touches that they did. For example, the farewell gift that they give to all the guests. That is such a special treat. So if you're looking for a unique Michelin dining experience where you get to try real authentic Ottoman cuisine right in the heart of Old City in Istanbul, this is a spot. And I love that it's also right near the major attraction. So like it's right next to Hagia Sophia. It's near the Sultanahmet Square where you get to see the Blue Mosque as well and the Hippodrome. And then it's very near the Topkapi Palace as well. All those places I visited before when I visited Istanbul back in the summer. So it's a great spot to dine at when you're in this part of the city. A huge thanks to Matbah Restaurant for hosting me so that I can share this experience with you guys. They really went all out with the chef, taking me on a tour, showing me how he makes some of the dishes, and then even joining me at the table so that he can talk about the cuisine, any questions that I may have. I hope you enjoyed checking out Matbah Restaurant with me. If you enjoy more Michelin dining experiences, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe, and watch this next video right here.